do you feel the market and the pricing of real estate is going to, develop in the next upcoming 6 months, a year, year and a half, 2 years?
This is a question I get a lot. I get a lot the question of, do you think prices are going to go down?
Right.
I do not think prices are going to go down. It's a simple supply and demand. There is still a lot of homeowners out there purchasing, and there is not enough supply. There's one property, 14 offers.
Yeah.
So one person got that property. So there's still 13 other people.
looking.
And houses, yeah, they're staying a little bit longer on the market, but if they're priced correctly, they're not staying on the market for more than a couple of days. The ones that are staying on the market, it's because they're not priced correctly. If you look at the ones that are priced correctly, they're selling like hot potatoes. And again, it's supply and demand.
And speaking of supply and demand, the Miami Association of Realtors has the most recent report that they provided is that in single family homes and townhomes in the Miami-Dade County area, the supply left is about 3 months. And in the condo market, it's about 4 months. Just so you guys have a better idea, a balanced market that appreciates anywhere from 3 to 4% per year needs to have anywhere from 6 to 7 months of inventory left. And if we're at 3 and 4, we're half of that, which is right now, Miami, following the traction of buyers and amount of sales that are happening. Yeah, it's a lot less transactions than before, but there's still less inventory than buyers. We're estimated to end the year anywhere around 10 to 12% appreciation down here in Miami. So our price is going to come down in Miami, at least now.
Yeah.
Not for the near future.